Okay, we should be recording now. Just been doing a little bit of work on this idea, and I think I'm up to the point for drone warfare, my map that is, and I'm up to sort of almost like a playable beta testing kind of level.
Yes, sir.
Just do
Waiting
really want to
orders.
click something. Check. Yeah, check something really quick. Okay, I had an issue with insufficient power earlier. So I've tidied up. Okay, no, we're seeing an issue here. AI is selling power plants. I don't know why.
Building.
Because
Unit
they were
ready.
low power and they
Building.
weren't getting.
Unit
Waiting
ready.
orders.
Building.
Vehicle reporting.
Unit
Affirmative.
Unit ready. Building.
Okay, so they're
Unit
still in
lost.
power, so it must just be part of the
Unit
AI
ready.
algorithm that they've
Building. Unit ready.
seen that they've got too much
Building.
power, they don't need it, so
Unit
they're selling
ready.
it for cash. But
Building.
anyway, that's
Unit
neither here nor
ready.
there. Just
Building.
for now, I was trying.
Unit ready.
I was
Building.
trying offline to
Unit ready. Building.
Yes, sir. Waiting order.
Unit
figure out a
ready.
cool way to finish.
Building.
So
Unit ready.
keep a buffer here with the
Building.
rivers, so that
Unit
you can
ready.
never actually get here. But
Building.
have a trigger
Unit
so
ready.
that I don't know a nuke
Building.
launched or a Tanya
Unit
came
ready.
or something like that.
Building. Unit
Spent
ready.
an hour playing with
Building.
that, but couldn't
Comrade.
quite
Yes,
ready.
sir.
get it
Building.
working.
Unit
Acknowledged.
ready.
So yeah, the
Building.
idea sort of
Unit
there's a
ready.
bit of a labyrinth
Affirmative.
over here.
Acknowledged.
Unit ready.
Acknowledged.
I'll put a bit more AA in.
Unit ready.
Affirmative.
So let's
Acknowledged.
try and say go for a moving
Acknowledged.
target here.
Unit ready. Building.
You know, so
Unit ready.
in large
Building.
numbers we can
Unit ready.
Affirmative.
Building.
Vehicle reporting. Affirmative.
get in here. Very hard to
Ready.
control,
Yes, sir.
Building.
which is hopefully
Lost.
gonna help
Unit
restore
ready.
balance.
Building. Unit lost.
I'm really just playing
Unit
this through
ready.
just to make sure
Building.
that these tanks
Unit
get
ready.
through.
Unit ready.
Um,
Building. Unit
and then
ready.
I need them to
Building.
get up
Unit
here
ready.
and attack.
Building.
So
Unit
and then
ready.
the barrels should do the rest. I will just while that we're waiting for that, so we'll keep an eye on that on the mini map. We can just scroll through here. This is the .mpr file just opened up in Notepad, so you can see it's there's different types. So this is the unit type. So it's saying for Heli and Hines, you know, where I've edited this down to 1 and I've edited the speed up to 50. Been trying to do this ammo equals 1 thing. No, I can't edit this right now because I'm playing, but I do need to. I wonder what happens. I'll just save it. It'll probably read that file in again later. I am just trying to figure out if that's the correct property to alter. But I've changed the projectile, or the primary weapon is a Maverick, which is like the Allied helicopter missile. Then over here, I've just turned up the damage, reduced the range a little bit because I think
Unit
it was
lost.
default 7. So I've just brought it down to 5. Any lower than that, it does seem to not work. So I have left that alone. It's a high explosive warhead, which is looks cool, has the desired effect on the map. Wasn't 100% sure what the report property changes. Over here, the anti-air guns, I've tried to turn the power down to 0. That hasn't worked, but yeah, basically the strength is turned all the way up. I've given them heavy armor. Yeah, so those I think are the main edits that I've done via text. The rest, I'm pretty sure all of this stuff has just come out of the map editor. Okay, so we see
Unit lost.
now that Teal is here, so let's
Unit
just see
lost.
what Teal does.
Unit lost.
You can see how easy these are all going down because of
Unit
the
lost.
low hit points.
Unit lost.
Is it gonna
lost.
know enough to attack
Our base
barrels?
is under attack. Unit lost.
No. And I thought there might be some splash damage here.
Acknowledged.
Let's
Affirmative.
just give him a hand. yeah, the idea is that one shot is all it takes to really wipe you
Base
out.
is under attack.
Waiting orders.
So you're still building at some speed, but you would imagine the idea is if you're playing against a human player, by the time
Unit lost.
they're here, they'll be in
Unit
sufficient
ready.
numbers just to wipe you out.
Building.
That's really
lost.
all.
Unit ready.
Waiting order.
Building.
Acknowledged.
Unit lost.
I'll just pause that.
Base is under attack. Unit ready.
Yes, sir. Acknowledged.
On hold. Unit lost. Building. Unit lost.
All right. So against a human player, that game should finish. Team one can either eventually destroy everything. Potentially, there's some balance to be thought about, but at least there's theoretically a win condition possible. And Team 2 can get over here and destroy these barrels. And I've just left these forwards in here just so that, just so it doesn't soft lock on us, and you can get tanks over here eventually. In the map editor, the cell triggers I'm trying to use are really like right here, so it really makes no difference to the playability, really, this just for the moment. I'll just go back to that text file. So yeah, pretty sure all of this comes out of the map editor. I might have tried to edit a little bit by hand, but
Unit lost.
yeah, I don't know if that really
Unit
did
lost.
anything. Yeah, so that's it. Ideally,
Lost.
what I would like to see, as we see TL has fun, got another tank over here.
Unit lost.
Let's not edit the file. Let's play in the game.
Yeah. Okay.
Unit lost.
Okay.
Very
Unit
well.
lost.
Very well.
Unit lost.
So there's just one left now, just to speed that up.
Unit lost.
Yes, sir. Acknowledged.
Why? Okay, I must still have some drones left. Just doing a Shift A select all. Does seem tedious, but I just do want to confirm the.
Awaiting orders.
Okay.
Acknowledged.
Yeah, so I haven't figured out how to.
Vehicle reporting.
Yeah, so that's killable. So that's fine. I might even put a divider in here. But yeah, I do just want to make sure, yeah, it doesn't lock out if human players are trying to do this. What I was saying is in the text file, for each map, this is basically all of the data that tells you what it is. This is, yeah, so that in the square brackets that like defines a class. I'm not a coder, so don't know what the correct term is, but yeah, I think it's a class of object. And then, strength, primary, armor, speed, etc. are, properties within that object that you can edit. What I don't know is what all these codes are. So I've been able to work this stuff out, just inferred it from existing maps. And a couple of guides that I've seen, but the guides are pretty sketchy. None of it gets into this level of detail. What I have thought is I do have, all of these locally safe maps just for the maps that I've been playing. And that's the JSON file, which we don't need. We need, yeah, see, so it'd be interesting to go through this and almost just like read in each text file, try and understand all of the categories that exist within the square brackets, and then all of like the sub properties that sorry, I should show on the screen. So like silo, MCV, whatever these are, how to name those things in a way that See, I think this is how you decide on a map which crates appear and which don't. So just go through that. It should be a quick search. Honestly, if I had old school Windows Excel and I had access to Visual Basic, I could code this up in about 10 minutes and do it. Don't know Python or really any other languages. I just had an earlier play with Python for about an hour. Couldn't get it up and running. So I've given up on that. So yeah, it'd just be cool to understand that, and maybe just compile that as a bit of documentation for the community, for anyone who wants to get in and do these cooler maps with some different edits, because it's not at all obvious how to actually do a lot of this in the editor. So yeah, that's the idea. Might go as far as testing this with some humans to begin with, tidy this up a little bit, get rid of the excess power plants, and yeah. So watch this space. In the next couple of days, hopefully, I'll get this up and running.